In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize reports in Xero. By the end, you'll know how to find the right report, tailor what it shows, set the date range and comparisons you need, and save a polished version your team can use again and again. Start by heading to Xero.com and signing into your organization. If you have access to more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct one so your reports reflect the right data. Once you're in, look for reporting on the main menu. This is your hub for all built-in and custom reports. Clicking reporting opens a curated list, but we want the full library so we don't miss anything. Select all reports to see everything available. You'll find categories like financial, sales, purchases, and tax. If you already know what you want, use the search bar to quickly locate reports such as profit and loss, balance sheet, or aged receivables. When you've found the report you need, click it to open. Inside the report, you can start tailoring the contents to match your goals, adjust which rows or accounts appear, expand or collapse groups, and choose whether to show account codes if that helps your review process. Many reports let you filter by tracking categories, regions, or departments, and some allow you to switch between cash and accrual views to align with your accounting method. Think about who will read this. Remove noise, surface the key lines, and organize the layout so insights are obvious at a glance. Now set the time frame, pick a date range that tells the right story, this month, last quarter, year to date, or a custom span, then use compare with to add context. You can compare to the previous period, the same period last year, or multiple periods side by side. If you're tracking trends, display the report by month or quarter so patterns are easier to spot. Make sure the comparison and display settings match how you plan to discuss the numbers. When your layout and dates look right, open the Save As drop-down. This lets you preserve your customized view so you don't rebuild it every time. Give it a clear name and description that explain what it shows and who it's for. Choose Published so the report becomes a shared, reusable version for your organization. Published reports are easier for teammates with the right permissions to find and run consistently. Finally, click Save. Your custom report is now stored with your chosen settings, ready to open, refresh, and share whenever you need it. That's how you customize reports in Xero with confidence.